Hello guys, it's your boy Mark from Random Talk as usual, and once more you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So on today's video I'll show the easiest, best and most reliable way on how you can create your own Facebook page. So with this method, all what you need is just a smartphone or PC being of any mark with an internet connection and the Facebook app. So okay guys, without wasting more of our time, so let's go into it. Then for us to create our page, we just have to head onto our Facebook app. This is it, and click on it once. Okay, once it opens, you go at the bottom part of your device. You see the three lines here, you click on it once. Okay, so here you can see available pages that you already have, but if you wish to create a page, you just have to click onto pages. Okay, so here see the available pages, so you go on to create. Okay, so this is how creating a page starts. Okay, you go on to get started. Okay, so here is where you can choose in the purpose of you creating your page. If you're a personal blogger, so you can choose on it, or if you're a beauty, cosmetic and personal stuff, you can click on it, or if you're a photo or camera person, you can click on it. If you're a restaurant person, but okay, let's just choose personal blogger. Okay, so you click on to next. Okay, so here is where you have to give in your Facebook page name, so you can give in whatever name you wish. So okay, I will just random talk. Click on to next. Okay, yes, okay, yeah, you need to put in a website, or if you already have a website, but if you don't have, you just have to tick I don't have website, and then click on to next. Okay, so yes, for you to put on an image like profile picture to your page, but if you don't have, you just have to click done, or cover photo. But at the end you can still skip all of this information and then you redo them later. Okay, click done. Okay, so good. If you take a good look at it, so this is how our page looks like. This is the random talk, but if you wish to add in a background image, you just have to click on it here. Okay, so this is your page. Okay, so if you wish to see messages or send messages, this is it. You save messages, so here you can send or save messages. Okay, and then if you wish to get information about your Facebook page, this is it. You click onto about. Okay, so this is it, personal blog, and send messages. If you wish to see your community, that is it. That's people that you can send it. Okay, if you wish to see photos and stuff that you have posted on your page, that's it. You can see them. And if you wish to see reviews, that review actually remarks, like people remarks about your page, so you can easily see them there. Okay, if you don't want, you can go to home. This is your main place. Okay, so this is how your page looks like. This is how your page looks like and everything. Okay, yeah, some important information about your page that is for you to get more views and to make it look more portable. Okay, so the first is here you can add a profile picture, or you can add a cover picture. Okay, so if you slide sideways, okay, yeah, you can invite friends into your page. Okay, so here you can join other similar groups, that's other similar pages that are like your page for promotion and other stuff, and to learn other stuff about your page. Okay, so here is where you can create a welcome post that once someone clicks into your page, that person can easily see the welcome post. So here is where you can link your page to your WhatsApp. You can set up an automatic message that once someone texts you, the automatic messages obviously reply that person before you get to that person. Okay, here is where you can add an action button for visitors. Okay, here is where you can add more information about you. Okay, here is where you can easily reach potential customer for recommendation for first aid. Yeah, so that is it. So okay, so I wish you the best, as said earlier, as you do this on your own. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.